Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install YouTube app in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to your Google Chrome or any app and here type YouTube. Go to your YouTube. Here we find three dot. At the top we find three dot. Click on this three dot. In three dot we find save and share. Go to the save and share. Here we find install YouTube. Click on the install YouTube. It's asked to install it. Click on install. New window is appear or pop up. Close it. Minimize it. Go to the desktop. Here we find our YouTube and it is also in the our taskbar. You can go to the here and double click on it and open the our YouTube app. It is installed now. Open it. And here we find our YouTube app. We can do anything that you want. You can watch any video from here. And if you want to uninstall it, that is also very simple in the Windows 10. Go to your app once again, double click on it. This time go to the top. At the top we find three dot. Click on this three dot. Here we find uninstall YouTube. Click on uninstall YouTube. Here we find remove YouTube. Don't check it. Also delete data from the Chrome. Don't check it or select it and click on the remove. And now our YouTube is removed from the our start or from the our taskbar. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install and uninstall YouTube app in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.